Guy just told me to come look at it, so I just take a little video for you guys. He's like in the middle of polishing it and wet sanding it after paint. So I'm gonna check it out for a little video and then do it before and after. Yeah, I'm here. Did you do any wet sanding or anything?
Yep.
Yeah, I want to look at it. So, I got the run out as far as I can go, but I can't go anymore. If I go anymore, I'm breaking through. I got you. Lines out pretty much. Yeah. I don't know the GPS loop. So you don't have enough of it or what?
I only got one can. Yeah. And this shit sucks. I can't even get. Usually I'll get, you know, in a gallon like this.
Is this one mine or no?
No, I already did that one.
Oh, alright.
That one just needs body work. That's it.
How much of these I sold you guys? Transmissions? SMGs? At least 10, 15, right?
Probably, yeah.
Not more.
Least, yeah.
And then engines and everything. So what do you guys do? You convert SMG transmissions
To a true manual.
Yeah, true manual, yeah. So I sold these guys about like 15, 20 SMG trans from E46 M3s. And what they do is convert them into manuals and do manual swaps for E46 M3s. A lot since they bought like 20 from me only, you know.
We normally use the customer's existing transmission, but you know, sometimes sometimes they get broken, right? So
yeah, you clean it up and everything, make it brand new.
right.
That's good, man. That's good. You put a new clutch in and everything, right?
New clutch. We'll check the flywheel. Most of the time the flywheels are good, but you know, it's a big expense, the flywheel. So if we don't have to do the flywheel, we won't do the flywheel.
I got you.
So
you guys do manual swaps and then you guys engine swaps, everything, right?
engine swaps, engine builds, we do everything. Hell yeah.
You put like a S54 and an E30 M3?
Do that. We put an LS in a E30. Yeah. It doesn't. It's a tight fit, but I mean, it's in there.
This is the spot. This is the place to get it done. All right, man. Nice seeing you.
All right, David.
Yeah. So.
For sure, hell
Yeah.
yeah.
If anything you want to say to the camera, I could just crop it out, make it look good.
No, I hate talking about
Yeah. Same with me, bro.
Yeah.
That's looks good though. check engine light on. I gotta check it with 4, but it drives all good, normal, like it should. Alignment is straight. Put my seatbelt on. Just going out to take pictures of the car. The above guy polished it. He did a really nice job. Car looks like brand new at the dealership. Well taken care of. Yeah, Porsches are made for really good roads. If the road is kind of like bumpy like this, you feel every little bump. As you can see, you can feel every bump on this car. But nice road. This car is a king. The colors of the interior actually has to do a lot with your mood when you're driving the car. It's it just makes you more exciting, like driving a car with like a orange interior, red interior. It changes your mood. Like if you get in a car, it's just like silver, gray interior. It's like, that's how you kind of feel. I mean, at least me, that's how I feel. Black is fine. You can't really go wrong with black. It's classic. But something like this is just brings up your mood every time you sit in it, and when you're driving especially. So yeah, this is an automatic. It's not a PDK yet because it's a 2007, and it actually, I like it. Like it shifts pretty fast. I mean, pretty good for automatic for sure. Fun car to drive. The thing about this car, like the 911 turbos, they're made fast, classic, and you can daily them. You're not gonna get tired of dailying them because it's actually a pretty comfy car, like for an everyday driver. So this car is 0 to 60. It claims to be 3.2 seconds, I believe, and quarter mile 11.4 with stock. If you tune these cars, they will be way faster because it's a twin turbo. And any Porsche you tune, it's gonna be faster if it's a turbo. So I'm not gonna do that obviously because I'm selling it, and some people prefer the car to be stock. That says it hasn't been really beat on or raced, and then they usually buy cars like this stock and then put a tune on it or modify it, or some just keep it, leave it stock. So to sell the car, it's probably best to keep it stock so people then could do whatever they want with it, leave it stock or tune it or customize it however they want. So a lot of times when cars are tuned and the person doesn't like what's done to it, you might have a harder time selling it and getting the right buyer for it. Yeah, so it pulls pretty good. I mean, this is a 2007. For a 2007, it pulls good because it's faster than a 2016 M4 BMW. It's probably close to my 2016 BMW M6 Grand Coupe I have. They're plus minus about the same. If you do like from a dig, the Porsche will probably take it because it's all-wheel drive. But higher speed, the M6 might because it's a V8, but I haven't really tried it like that. I mean, 2007 versus like a 2017 BMW, you know. I mean, I raced my friend's 2022 G80 M3 on this thing, and it got ahead. So the Porsche got like maybe like a car, half a car, like barely any, but like it's still like 2007 versus 2022 M3 competition, G80 M3. So that's what, 15 years difference. So Porsche is like pretty much like 15 years ahead of BMW, you know, 10-15 years of performance-wise, speed-wise, everything. Like you can't compare this to freaking 2007, you know, for BMW.